Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Security for AI Systems. Protecting your AI from sneaky attacks. Just like you wouldn't leave your house door unlocked, your AI system needs protection. We've learned to build amazing AI, but what if someone tries to trick it, steal from it, or make it do bad things? AI security is about protecting your AI from sneaky attacks, making sure it's safe, reliable, and doesn't spill secrets. As a developer, this is super important, just like writing secure code for any other app you build. Imagine you're baking a cake, and someone secretly puts salt instead of sugar in your recipe book. When you follow that recipe, your cake will taste awful. Similarly, AI learns from data. Data poisoning is when attackers sneak bad, misleading data into your AI's training dataset. Your AI then learns the wrong things, leading to incorrect predictions or behaviors. As a developer, think of this like injecting malicious data into a database used by your application. Picture a stop sign. To you, it's clearly a stop sign. But what if a tiny, almost invisible sticker could be added that makes a self-driving car's AI think it's a yield sign? That's an adversarial example. Attackers make tiny, imperceptible changes to inputs, like images or text, that completely fool the AI, even though a human wouldn't notice a difference. As a developer, this is like a subtle bug in your code that only appears under very specific, crafted inputs, causing unexpected behavior. You've spent hours crafting a secret recipe for the best cookies ever. What if someone could figure out your entire recipe just by tasting your cookies a few times? Model theft is when attackers interact with your AI and, by observing its responses, manage to recreate a copy of your AI's brain, the model, without ever seeing your code or data. Model evasion is making your AI deliberately fail to perform its task. Like a guard dog trained to ignore certain types of intruders. For developers, this is like reverse engineering your application or creating inputs that bypass its core logic. Imagine your AI has learned from sensitive customer data, like medical records. If an attacker asks your AI just the right questions, could it accidentally reveal private information it learned during training? This is a privacy leak. AI models can sometimes memorize parts of their training data, and clever queries can make them regurgitate that sensitive info. As a developer, you know the importance of protecting user data. AI systems add new layers to this challenge. Don't worry, we have ways to fight back. Secure data pipeline, like inspecting all ingredients before baking. Validate and clean all data your AI uses, both for training and during live use. Robust training. Think of it as stress testing your AI. Train your AI with diverse data, including some noisy or slightly altered examples, to make it more resilient to tricky inputs. Monitoring and alerts. Keep an eye on your AI's performance. If it starts behaving strangely or getting unusual inputs, trigger an alarm. Regular audits. Periodically check your AI for vulnerabilities. As developers, we integrate security checks into every stage of development. As a developer building AI systems, you are on the front lines of defense. Think secure first. Integrate security considerations from the very beginning, just like you would for any web app or database. Validate everything. Don't trust any input blindly, whether it's training data or live user requests. Stay informed. The world of AI security is constantly evolving. Keep learning about new threats and defenses. Your code, your data handling, and your design choices directly impact how secure your AI system will be. You're not just building AI, you're building secure AI. AI is powerful, and with that power comes great responsibility. By understanding these sneaky attacks, You're better equipped to build AI systems that are not only smart and useful but also secure, fair, and reliable. Secure AI means trustworthy AI, and building trust is key for AI to truly help humanity. Let's build the future of AI securely, one line of code at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.